For doing the schools and sending the promos, we have a list here. Okay, this is for high schools and the sports. For example, if it's baseball, it just has baseball. So the contact should be baseball, email should be baseball email, and status should be baseball status. For basketball, it should be basketball junior male, and then basketball junior male email, and basketball junior male status. Again, basketball junior female, basketball junior female email, and basketball junior female status. Then again, basketball senior male and female, and then basketball male and female. Okay, so you should separately prepare the Excel file for each one and then merge them and remove the duplicate and do the rest of things. Okay, for any sport, it's exactly mentioned that what you should find it. This is just for being sure that you gathered every information. As I showed, whenever you click on the customs column and go to, for example, another one, for example, football, you can see that for football, it has football, football boys junior, football boys senior, and then that's all. So you have 1, 2, and 3. You have 3 separate Excel files, and then you should merge them. Okay, as you can see here, it's exactly the same. It has boys junior, boys senior, and then football. So 3 different Excel files which should be merged together. This is all the list of sports that you should use to send the catalog and promos to. For K-8 or K-6 ones, we don't send them like this. For K-8 or K-6, according to what it's in the list, you can see that we are sending these kind of promos, like basic 7 ones, like school apparel or something like that. For K-8 and K-6, instead of finding like football junior senior or something like that, we send it to principal. So it will be principal, principal email, and principal status. Then vice principal, which is 1 and 2. Okay, so principal, vice principal 1, vice principal 2, and then PE head. You can see it has PE head female and PE head male. So for K-5, K-6, and K-8, you have 5 different Excel files and then merge them all together. Okay? Did you get what I mean? Okay, so that was for sport, and this one is for clubs. As I checked here, I think Lucy put everything here as well, because I checked. You can see for top uniform, it has baseball, basketball, curling, drama, and everything here, which shows that you have the template or something like that. But I will check it again so that you can send them accordingly. You can see we have the PDF files here. So it means that everything is ready. Just you should prepare the sheet 1 because the promo is ready to send. The promo is ready. So if you prepare the sheet 1, you can start sending step 1, step 2 for emailing, and then send the emails. Do you have any question? Okay,